friends. Nako po, Luistro. Jinky Luistro napahiya kay dating Supreme Court Justice Carpio. Kung ano-ano mga sinasabi ni Jinky Luistro, inapaghalataan na gusto talaga nalang i-impeach si VP Sara. VP Sara ligtas sa impeachment. Of course. Wala kasing walang sesyon ang Senado at kahit mag-request pa si BBM ng special session, hindi yung tungkol sa impeachment. Nako mga kabibig, ano pa ito? So, panoorin natin kung gaano ka-confident itong si Jinky Luistro na kahit na, for example, si VP Sara ay mag-resign, ay itutuloy nila ang impeachment. Pero parang kulang pa sa bigas na kinain si Jinky Luistro sa pagsupalpal ni dating Supreme Court Justice Carpio. So, unahin natin si Jinky Luistro. Ito kasi ang sabi ni Madam Jinky Luistro, mga kabibig. Ano sila ha? Ito i-share ko sa inyo para makita nyo ba. Alam niyo naman na maraming mga kuro-kuro opinion ng mga istorya ngayon. Ito ang sinabi niya. With respect to the second prayer, kailangan ituloy ang impeachment trial para magkaroon ng determination whether she will be meted with perpetual disqualification to hold office as well. Sabi ni Antonio Carpio, Constitution says that the penalty shall not go beyond the removal from the office and the perpetual disqualification to hold public office. So if she has resigned, it's academic. You cannot remove her from the office anymore. For example, si VP Sara mag-resign, kasi feeling mo VP Sara na ay parang ang gulo-gulo na, so magre-resign na lang ako. So yung impeachment daw is stop doon. I think they will just have to dismiss their impeachment complaint because she's no longer in office. Ang tanong, magre-resign ba kaya si VP Sara? Since 2023 pa nila pinaghahandaan itong impeachment. Nung simula na nagsabi si Franz Castro na i-impeach si VP Sara, that time naghanda na ang VP Sara, maraming lawyers daw ang gustong sumali na maging tagapagligtas, tagapagtanggol ni VP Sara. Ito kasi ang video ni Jinky Luistro. Confident si Madam Jinky, sabi nga nito, Pasyo, kung matalino ka, makikita mo si Jinky Luistro na boba. Pero kung boba ka, tapos nakikita mo si Jinky Luistro na matalino. So, ganun ba? Sabi ni Atty. Pasyo. So, ito na ang statement ni Miss Congresswoman Jinky Luistro. Ito ang bibig, Hinggan natin si Miss Congresswoman Jinky Luistro.
My personal...
Bibig, ha? Sige, ito na. Madam Jinky, go.
Ano mangyayari kung halimbawa ang naging senaryo mag-resign si VP Sara instead na hintayin niya na matapos yung impeachment process? What will happen?
My personal take is this, no? There are two particular prayers in the impeachment complaint. One is the removal from office, and two is the perpetual disqualification to hold office, no? Kung mag-resign ang ating Vice Presidente, I understand that the removal from office will become moot and academic already. Dahil sino i-remove mo kung nag-resign na nga. But with respect to the second prayer, it is my humble submission, kailangang ituloy ang impeachment trial para magkaroon ng determination whether she will be meted with perpetual disqualification to hold office as well.
So yun para ang pinopoint out ni Ms. Jinky. Kung mag-resign si VP, edi mag-resign siya, pero ituloy pa rin nila ang tawag dito, ang impeachment para hindi na siya makahold ng office or either whether makahold ba siya ng office. So ito naman ang sagot ni, tawag dito ni dating Chief Justice Carpio, mga kabibig. So hanapin natin na ito. Ito na pala. Si dating Chief Justice Carpio, ang kanyang mga hindi opinion, kundi ang kanyang pwedeng i-share sa sambayan ng Pilipino para maintindihan kung ano ba talaga ang mayayari kay VP Sara. So, ito na kabibig.
Say should happen in case the Vice President resigns before a trial is even, before the court is even convened, or even before the trial concludes, before she is convicted or not convicted. What happens if she resigns her public office? We've heard one side of it. Somebody said that means, well, House Representative Joel Chua said he believes the law says that she is still immediately barred from pursuing public office. What do you think?
Well, if she resigns and before there's a judgment of conviction, then there's no prohibition for her to run again.
Oh.
There's also another school of thought that if she does resign, itutuloy pa rin daw yung impeachment trial. Is that normal? And also, I think they were using, with regard to what Regina just said, they were using as precedent what happened to Merceditas Gutierrez at the start of the Pinoy administration. Yeah.
Actually, the Constitution says that the penalty shall not go beyond removal from office and perpetual disqualification to all public office. So, if he has resigned, it's academic. You cannot remove her from office anymore. So, I think they will just dismiss the impeachment complaint because she's no longer in office.
But what they want, Justice Carpio, is for her to be perpetually banned from running for other public posts in the future, or like forever, basically, unless she gets
they can file a criminal case because that's separate. And in the criminal case, if she is found guilty, there will be a prohibition office.
Okay. But minus a conviction in Senate, then the penalty of perpetual disqualification will not hold if she does resign.
No,
Okay.
Yeah, not in the impeachment case, but if there's a criminal case, there's a perpetual disqualification also if she's convicted.
Right.
So it's valid to resign in the middle of the whole trial. There's nothing in the Constitution that says otherwise.
Well, that could be. If the Senate will continue, she will go to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court will have to decide, because that's a case of first impression, whether the Senate still has jurisdiction because she's not in office anymore. It could go either way.
Oh, so yun pala mga kabibig. Yun pala ang mangyayari mga kabibig. Okay. Lalong magwawala yan si Sara. May sayad pa naman, Diyos ko. Sabi ni Save here, why should she resign? This impeachment trial is the best time for her to defend herself. Resignation is an affirmation of guilt. Oh, sabi ng ating mga netizen. Ito pa ang sabi, hindi magre-resign si VP, lalaban siya para malaman kung sino ang kurap. Isip nyo tatay, pati ka na fiscal, tapos anak isang matalino lawyer, susukuan kayo. Isa lang kayong mga inutil na tigang na mga Duterte. Oh. Atat na atat kayo sa pagka-impeach ni VP Sara. Well, hindi po yung mayayari dahil taong bayan ang makakalaban ninyo. #protect Sara Duterte. Feeling ko mag-resign na lang si Sara kaysa namang mahukay yung mga bilyones pesos niya sa bank account niya at makonvict siya, di na makatakbo kahit anong posisyon. Ang habulan talaga dyan ng mga kalaban niya is yung mahatulan siya ng perpetual disqualification. Matatalo kasi sila sa 2028 pag tatakbo siya. Politika talaga. Tama si former Justice Carpio na file sila ng criminal case kung talagang totoo ang mga paratang nila. Oh. Takot sila kay VP Sara na tumakbo sa 2028. May pulong pa, may basti pa. Yun ang kinatatakutan nila Luis Tro and allies na makatakbo sa presidential election si Sara. Kaya gawin nila lahat, mabagsak lang ang political career ng huli. Yun ang mga komento ng ating mga netizen kabibig. So ano ang iyong saloobin tungkol dito?